Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery, your go-to page to master your favorite tech platforms. For today's video, I will show you how to use BlueWillow AI in Discord. To start, make sure log in your BlueWillow account. To use BlueWillow AI in Discord, first is we will make a server. In this cross button right here is where we can add a server. Choose your template here, and after that, choose if it's for a club or community or for yourself and friends only. And then, you can upload your profile photo and type in the name of your server. After you are done, click on Create. And in here will reflect our newly made server. Moving on, click on Blue Willow icon right here and choose on one of these rookie channels. Click on the small blue willow icon here and go to Add to Server. Select here the name of our server and click on Continue. Scroll down and click on Authorize. And select the image that contains zebra and click on Verify. And finally, click on Go to Platform Mastery Server 2. And in here, we can already generate image by typing on \imagine and prompt word will automatically appear, followed by typing in the description of your image. We'll wait for a few moments for it to generate. And our image is here. And that is how to use BlueWillow AI in Discord. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!